Hello everyone, this is Mad Mick here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like and join our journey. In late 2022, Zontes decided to do a 125cc scooter, all brand new on the market, brand new engine, etc. And there's not a lot about it on the internet, etc. So I've got a English speaking version on Subtitles on how to do the engine oil filter and the gear oil. This is a dealer training video, so the dealers know exactly how to do the oil change and filter change and gearbox oil change when you take your bike in for a service. But that doesn't mean to say you can't do it yourself. It's down to yourself whether you want to keep the guarantees that offer if you service it at a Zontes dealer, or a lot of people tend to do their own servicing. So this is to show you how, if you've got the bike, enjoy the bike. It's a brilliant scooter. There's over 1,000 videos on my playlist on my channel, so if you're into do-it-yourself videos and want to know how to do things, then please look at the videos. They're relating to all bikes. If you've got a scooter, it's generally the same thing that you would do, so you can do it to your own, knowing where the actual bolts are to undo the oil, etc. say on an oil change. Please subscribe and join our journey, and tell all your friends that are bike related that like bike videos as well. Mad Mick signing off. Happy bye for now.
I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Could you still call me at the end of the day, and then you have nothing else to say? practice. We're